Now, have you ever scrolled through social media and you felt like everyone else was living their best life except you? You see friends traveling, partying, celebrating milestones, even on LinkedIn, and suddenly your own life and your own weekend feels extra boring. That anxious, nagging feeling is called FOMO, the fear of missing out, and it can quietly steal your happiness. Hi, my name is Tife. You can call me Tair. If you've watched part 1, you know about FOBO, and that is the fear of better options, which keeps you stuck internally. Now, FOMO is a bit different. It's external pressure. It comes from seeing what other people are doing and you feel like you're missing out. Today, we're going to explore how FOMO shows up, why it affects your mental health, and its practical ways to letting it stop control your life. By the end, we'll be able to enjoy your experiences without constantly comparing yourself to others. FOMO is that anxious feeling that everyone else is having a better or more exciting life than you. It's not just about the parties and vacation. It can actually show up in your career, in your relationship, or even your hobbies. For example, you might scroll on Instagram and you see your friends at a concert and at a dinner party and you're thinking, oh, I think I should be there too. When your own plans are even perfect, FOMO can actually make you feel inadequate. How can FOMO show up in your life? FOMO can show up in subtle and obvious ways. It shows up in social life. When you say yes to invitations you don't really want to go to, so you just don't want to miss out anyway. Emotionally, it's that feeling of anxiety, envy, or low self-esteem when seeing what others are even doing. It shows up also in our lifestyle. You're overcommitting, you're skipping your rest, or you're even ignoring personal priorities just to keep up. Why is FOMO even harmful in the first place? The thing about FOMO is that it steals your joy. You're physically there, but you're mentally comparing yourself to everyone else. That constant comparison can cause anxiety. It can cause burnt out and even depression. Now, unlike FOMO, what traps you inside your own decision, your own indecision, FOMO pushes you outward. It's making you chase experiences instead of appreciating the ones you already have. How do we overcome FOMO very quickly? So how do you want to fight FOMO? There are a few strategies that can actually work. The first thing I want you to do is limit your social media use. Some of us are so mindless on social media, scrolling just to compare. Use it intentionally. There's a lot of things to do with social media. Practice gratitude. That's the second thing. Focus on your experiences and not what other people are doing. Live your own life. The third thing is prioritize your own personal goals. Make decisions that matter to you and not what everyone else is doing. Now, let me give you a very quick example. I used to feel FOMO every weekend, thinking I wasn't doing enough. One weekend, I chose a quiet night of self-care instead of a party. And it actually helped me to feel more fulfilled and even relaxed. And it actually reminded me on that spot that my happiness wasn't dependent on other people's choices. Now let's link FOMO and FOBO quickly together. Do you remember FOMO from part 1? FOBO keeps you stuck internally. FOMO pushes you outward. It's chasing what other people are doing. Now, understanding both can actually help you make better decisions, to enjoy your life without constant stress and comparison. What is our key takeaway from here today? It is that awareness is everything. When you notice FOBO or even FOMO creeping in, pause, check your values and check internally, or rather choose intentionally. If you relate to FOMO, comment below and tell me what situations trigger it for you. And if you haven't already watched part 1 on FOBO, Go and watch it too, and that will make you understand what we're talking about here today. And it makes you see how these two work together and how you can actually reclaim your time, your energy, and your peace. So I want you guys to be good, because we're gonna tune in next time, or let's look forward to our next video together. I want you to comment below. I want you to tell me, what would you like us to talk about next time? What is that really important thing that we even tend to probably even overlook these days? What can actually help other people out there? I want us to talk about it. Do you want it to be from my own angle of talking about it? Do you want it to be from someone else's angle, or discussion, like a conversation between myself and somebody else? I'll watch out in the comment section, guys. Have a good one. Bye.